SoFi versus Fidelity, which is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which financial institution is better among SoFi and Fidelity. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with SoFi. SoFi offers banking, investing, loans, and insurance, providing an all in one financial solution. No account fees for checking and savings accounts, helping you save money. Competitive interest rates on savings accounts and cash management accounts. Provides competitive rates that can help borrowers reduce their interest payments and pay off loans faster. Includes career coaching, financial planning, and exclusive events. SoFi operates primarily as an online bank with no physical branches, which may be a drawback for users who prefer in person banking services. Less advanced than some specialized brokers. It has strict eligibility criteria for loans and refinancing, which may limit access for some potential borrowers. Now, let's come towards Fidelity. Fidelity offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Provides low cost trading with no commissions for online stock and ETF trades. Features extensive research tools and resources to assist investors in making informed decisions. Offers a variety of retirement accounts, including ERAs and 401k plans. Known for excellent customer service and support. Somehow, the platform can be complex and may have a steeper learning curve for beginners. Some accounts and services may have fees associated with them depending on the investment options and account type. Primarily focused on investment services with limited banking options. Choosing between SoFi and Fidelity depends on your specific financial needs and preferences. SoFi is ideal if you need an all in one solution with comprehensive financial services and no account fees, while Fidelity excels in providing extensive investment options, low cost trades, and strong research tools. Consider your banking and investment needs and the importance of comprehensive services versus specialized investment features to determine which platform aligns best with your goals. That's all for this video.